6 divided by 6 gives us 1. Again, 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. And 1 divided by 1 gives us what? 1? Yes, but that's not the answer for this expression, because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. Yes, there is an order of operations. Otherwise, everybody would say would end up with a different answer. It would say this is the answer. You would say another number is the answer. But what is the correct order of operations? It is something called PEMDAS. So learn PEMDAS and never be lost. So what is PEMDAS? P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority or precedence from highest till the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must do parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right, so they have the same priority. MD or DM doesn't matter. Then go for addition and subtraction, go from left to right. And maybe before solving the original problem, I want to show you how to divide maybe two fractions or a number by a fraction. So let's say we have number A and we want to divide it by, for example, m over n. You can easily turn this division into multiplication if you swap the upper part and the lower part of the fraction. In other words, the numerator and the denominator. So A divided by m over n, it is the same thing as A multiplied by n over m. So n over m is the reciprocal of this fraction. So let's now revisit our original problem. So 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. So it is no parentheses, no exponents, just divisions. You must go from left to right. If you pair these two sixes and these two sixes, you assume that they were paired and they were inside the parentheses. In reality, they are not. So you must go from left to right. 6 divided by 6 at first gives us 1, right? Then 1 divided by 6 and then divided by 6. Again, two divisions go from left to right. 1 divided by 6 gives us 1 over 6 and then divided by 6. So now maybe this is the point that I told you about. So when you want to divide maybe a number by another number, change the second one into the reciprocal and turn the sign into the multiplication sign. So 1 over 6 multiply. So I change the division sign into multiplication, and you must change the second number into the reciprocal. In other words, flip the upper part and the lower part. So 6 over 1, obviously, it is the same thing as 1 over 6. And now for multiplying the fractions. At first, multiply the numerator or the upper part. So 1 times 1 gives us 1. And then multiply the denominator or the bottom part. So 6 times 6 gives us 36. And that's the only answer. So for your homework, what would the answer be if we had just the last part, 6 divided by 6 inside a parenthesis? So please subscribe to the channel to support me and like the video and drop your answers in the comments below.